Let's learn English with animal. Let's go. Zebra, zebra. Fox, fox. Deer, crocodile. Bear, bear. Tiger, tiger. Hedgehog, hedgehog. Monkey, monkey. Lion, lion. Horse, horse. Giraffe, giraffe. Eagle, elephant. Rabbit,